Hey, what's up YouTube? That's in the lake dark in the ocean. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to shoot enemy in Unity. So we need to download firstly two assets. One of them is zombie. This is gonna be our enemy. And another of his standard asset. After download this, let's go to Unity. This simple activator menu error will also appear in your Unity project. Then let's go to utility, and there will be simple activator menu script. Right click on it and delete it. Now as you see, error disappeared. So that's cool. The next step is we're gonna add plane. Let's increase scale. Then let's go to standard asset, and there will be characters. Then click on first person controller, prefabs, and FPS controller. Then go to zombie folder, FBX. You can add whichever zombie you want. Actually, all of them are same FBX, but I don't know what's the difference. But anyway, so I added this. Let's also change scale of this. It's a little bit small. Good. Also, let's add box collider. Otherwise, our script is not gonna work. Also, I'm gonna call this just zombie, not zombie 1. So if we are ready, let's go to FPS controller and add components, weapon, create and add. Also, I'm gonna call this just zombie, not zombie 1. So if we are ready, let's go to FPS controller and add components, weapon, create and add. We don't need start function. So we need range, public floats range. We'll set it up later in Unity. Then we need camera. Or we can just write serialize fields, camera, FPS, camera. Raycast hits. If physics dot raycast FPS camera dot transform dot position. Then we need orientation. So our orientation will be FPS camera dot transform dot forward. And our hit is just will be hit, which we created in here, and we need a hit range, which we wrote in here. Also, don't forget to write here. Right here is outs hits and range. If heat.transform.name is equal to zombie. Don't forget that, guys. We call this character zombie. So if it's equal to zombie, let's write here public bool is shooting boolean, and is shooting is equal to true, and right here else is shooting is equal to false. That's it. Let's go back to Unity. Now here, don't forget to add camera, and also let's set range. I'm gonna make 7, and here you see is shooting boolean. We're not gonna touch that. So let's click on play. So guys, as you see, shooting is true because our camera orientation is looking to zombie. So let's look another way, and as you see, is shooting is now false. As you see, guys, it's working. It's how it is. How like you shoot enemy in Unity. So if you want, you can also add multiple and other things. For example, let's create another function. Let's call this shoot, and I'm gonna cut this code and I'm gonna paste it here. So in updates, where I'm gonna write if input dot gets mouse button down 0 shoot, right? So if you just click on a mouse, which how you shoot enemy in FPS games, then the shooting is happening. So if you want, you can add also extra VFX effects or weapon sounds. So let's check it again. So as you see, it's false. We are looking zombie, but it's false because we didn't click mouse. So let's click, and as you see, it is shooting. Thanks for watching, guys. If you liked the video, press the like button and don't forget to subscribe.